What's happening? Ray Carnes, co-founder, REC TEC Grills. We are here today with my buddy,
Stevie Fredericks, Twisted Burrito, Evans, Georgia.
Twisted Burrito in Evans. Check them out, man. We are doing some oxtail sofrito. Sofrito. Yeah, I know all about sofritos. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna season this up. We're gonna put some olive oil, and then we're just gonna put some Ray's front row master blend on here. We're gonna smoke these for about 3 hours at 225. And then we're gonna, after that, put them in a pan with some beef broth, a bunch of other veggies and stuff, and let them roast for another hour and a half at 350. So Steve's gonna get the seasoning on there. Tell me when, buddy.
Perfect.
I think that's the exact amount. So you're gonna use exactly
that
a
amount.
Quarter cup, I think.
Perfect. Exactly.
Perfect. So let's get these on the grill, put them at 225 for three hours. We'll see you at the REC TEC. All right, so we got this awesome Stampede preheated to 225. It's got a 30-pound hopper, stainless steel, and we're gonna get these, the Sofrito.
Sofrito, Ray.
Sofrito.
Have you ever eaten Sofrito?
Yeah, man, I told you earlier I'm a Sofrito expert.
Sofrito expert, the only Sofrito I've ever eaten.
225 for 3 hours on the Stampede. We're using a white oak, red oak, and hickory pellet here today. Excellent work, man.
Outstanding.
You know your Sofrito.
All about the Sofrito.
All right. See you in about 3 hours.
You ruined my whole joke.
All right, so we got this oxtail sofrito going. When there's about an hour left on the smoke, what you want to do is get this stew going here. What we have is we've got some celery. No, that's green pepper.
Green peppers.
That's green
close.
pepper.
It was green.
This green. This is some seasoning and some this heifer dust and some other things. The recipe will be listed below.
Chorizo.
Chorizo.
Yeah.
Put it in there.
Cilantro. Yes, that looks good. Oregano, actually. Yeah, garlic. What's that?
That's the celery.
Celery.
And you want 16 ounces celery. 16 ounces of red wine. You be careful and measure this exactly.
It's good.
Is that right?
Sounds good. Oh, I was going to add some of that.
It's delicious.
Not now.
Some onion.
Onion!
Some diced tomatoes.
Canned crushed tomatoes.
Crushed tomatoes. And then 10 ounces of beef broth. Exactly, 10 ounces again. Right there.
Perfect.
Go ahead and get this on the REC TEC for the last hour while they're smoking. And then after that hour, we're gonna add the oxtail in here, and we're gonna let that go at 325 for about 2 hours, I think we're going for, until it's fork tender. So we'll see you at the REC TEC. Oh, that looks, oh man, it looks yummy.
Get it, Clark Griswold.
I like texting face the whole time, like,
No?
We missed.
We missed.
Over?
I don't know.
no, it's still under.
Oh, it's undercooked.
A little under.
You want to taste that?
Is it good? That piece
I think it was too small, man.
making it work.
I wasn't going to say it, man. You're going to get us in trouble.
All right, let's see. Now
That's on point.
that's banging. I think,
Sofrito.
so here's what you do.
You put that over
Everything
pasta.
we said earlier. Do that, but do it with veal shank.
Shank.
Ossobuco.
Do that
Or-
without any meat in it whatsoever and put it over pasta.
Yeah. That is banging. But the giggle ball,
The giggle ball did not work.
not so much.
I think it was the meat.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going
Visit us at rectecgrills.com if you want to make dishes like this.
Try it.
Try it out.
Leave that out.
Veal shank. Well, I mean, or giggle ball.
The The Sofrito itself is delicious.
This stuff is amazing. Let me taste this one more time.
Try it one more time.
Check
just
us
to
out,
make
man.
sure.
Thanks for grilling with us today and messing up with us today. We had a ball.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Yeah.
That stuff is delicious.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I mean, it's so meaty.
Get it, Clark. Get it, Griswold.
It's like a. Like a
Oh, come on in, Jody.
It's like a ham hock.
That is delicious.
That-
Oh, it's so good.
It's like
It's the best giggle ball.
Get in there.
It's like a ham hock.
Okay.
Like a pig foot.
Is it good?
It's like a pig flick.
Pig foot.
Y'all just blocked me out. Okay, here we go.
Really.
Phase Steve out. He's done.
Yeah.
Let me feed you.
Get that out of my face.
I love Google balls.
Great recipe. With the exception, we had the wrong meat. Okay?
Something
care.
happened.
happens.
Business at RecTechGrills.com.
Something happened.